Hi guys, Adele here from Go Balik. This is a video on the core level at Iberostar Selection Cancun in Mexico. Sorry if I go fast through this video. It's a bunch of videos meshed together and me talking over it, hoping to be able to help you before choosing this hotel. In summary, do not. Yes, some of the videos may look visually pleasing, but surely for the price tag and surely for expecting a 5-star experience that this hotel boasts, I felt that they fell short. Reception, for example, couldn't point me to where I could have lunch upon check-in around 3:30. That's basic. Usually people arrive to a destination hungry and tired. I'd like to know where I can get food, but no one knew. I had to go hunt for food myself. The hallways to the room look a little run down. The room itself felt a little over sterile. Yes, I know it's during COVID, and so a lot of the plush amenities that you'd normally find in a room, like throw pillows, weren't there, but still, there's something about this room to me that's overly sterile. I couldn't stand this quote-unquote cool box. It didn't even stay cool. I understand that the Iberostar is into the wave of change, which is an environmentally conscious effort. However, I'd like cool drinks, and it wasn't cool. Plus, there's only like 6 beverages in the fridge. That's far from what you'd usually expect at a 5-star. I also didn't like that the water was served in these reusable bottles that had a sticker on it that said sanitized. I mean, okay, it says sanitized, but is it? I thought that maybe during COVID you'd have the option to have plastic bottles, at least the option. And you know what else? The bathroom that we saw at the beginning of this video didn't have any of the usual amenities that you'd find at a 5-star hotel. There was only soap and conditioner and shampoo. Maybe a one-time kit of hand sani, mosquito repellent, floss, cotton swab, or maybe even if they only replenished it upon request, that would have been nice. The worst part of this trip to me was no room service breakfast. Yes, this place has 24-hour room service, but what they don't tell you is that the menu is tiny and the food quality is poor. And no coffee service. So in order to get coffee, you have to get dressed in the morning, go to the lobby at the cafe/bar and get your coffee, then bring it back to your room to enjoy your coffee on your balcony. Look, I know it's times of COVID, and I know the passion of Iberostar is wave of change, but a lot of the things that supposedly were due to COVID or supposedly due to wave of change really felt like Iberostar, the brand, had the top line in mind and profit in mind more than the safety of guests and more than the environment. What was truly 5-star though is this Cancun blue. Cancun blue, there's nothing like it. It's aqua blue, Cancun beach. It's beautiful. Again, I would have loved to have breakfast on this balcony and enjoy this view and take my dandy time getting ready for the day, but that wasn't an option during my stay here. This day, by the way, was January 2021. It was my birthday trip. We spent a little bit more in hopes for a 5-star experience, but I did not get that at all. I think the best part of this entire experience was this tub. It's not really a jacuzzi, it's more like a deep soaking semi-whirlpool tub. It really just gets the bubbles going, but it doesn't massage you or anything. What we're looking at here is the snack bar/pool bar area. They don't have waiter service at this part. There is a little bit closer to the pool, but who cares? I mean, all they're really serving are quesadillas, nachos, and wraps, and again, not good quality. The chicken was weird, the cheese quality wasn't great. This is the one restaurant that they had at the hotel. It's called La Barca. It is a buffet by day and a la carte by night. To me, it was just deli meat spread out, bread spread out, too little options again for a supposed 5-star. Here's the lobby. Here is the cafe / lobby bar. This bartender was nice. The ham and cheese croissant here was good. The cappuccinos were good, but nothing to write home about. It did smell good down here, I will say that. What you're looking at now is the beach area. Again, because this is January 2021 during COVID, it was pretty peaceful. Lots of bed, lots of shade. Here's the pool. Something I didn't like was that the pool bar was closed. Yes, I know it's COVID, but it didn't make sense because the wait staff had to go into the pool bar well to serve the people in the pool anyway, creating crowding anyway. We've been to other 4-star, 3.5-star, 5-star hotels during COVID, and they had their pool bar open, but with either limited seating or social distance seating. Closing this video with a dinner vibe, bland food, but okay music.